Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello for personal productivity, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Trello for personal productivity, first, create your account at Trello.com. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can create your first board. Click the Create New Board button and choose a name that reflects your personal project or goals. Select a background and set the visibility to private if you want to keep it personal. Next, you'll see your new board, which is currently empty. Now, it's time to add lists. Think of lists as stages or categories of your projects, such as to do, in progress, and completed. To add a list, click on Add. Now, let's add cards to your lists. Cards represent individual tasks or ideas. Click on Add a card, type in a task, and then hit Add Card to save it. Once your tasks are added, you can start organizing them. Simply drag and drop cards between lists to track their progress. For more detail on a task, click on the card to open it. Here, you can add descriptions, checklists, due dates, and comments. Utilize labels to color code your tasks for easy identification based on priority or category. To add a label, click on Labels in the card and choose or create a label. You can also assign tasks to yourself or others if you're collaborating. Just click on Members within a card and select the individuals involved. To stay focused, consider using Trello's Calendar Power-Up. Activate it by clicking on Show Menu, then Power UPS, and searching for Calendar. Once activated, your due dates will appear in a calendar view, helping you visualize deadlines. You can also integrate Trello with other apps, like Google Drive or Slack, for enhanced productivity. For recurring tasks, you can create a template card. Fill in your template with all the necessary details, then duplicate it for future use. Consider reviewing your board regularly to stay on track. At the end of each week, check what you've completed and adjust your upcoming tasks as needed. Remember to experiment with different layouts and features to find what works best for you. Trello is flexible, so feel free to customize it to suit your personal productivity style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.